It's the calm before the storm, and the next storm, and the storm after that. I'm Chief Meteorologist Joe Martucci, here with your Friday forecast at TriX57. Good to be with you here. Let's take a look at our winter storm timeline for our Saturday night into Sunday forecast. And that storm that is coming, this is essentially the stronger version of what we saw Wednesday night into Thursday. In other words, a wintry smorgasbord for us. And we do have that snow map. We have those icy details for you as well. This is a look at our storm system. Low pressure moves from the Midwest into the Appalachian Mountains, fizzles out, but transfers its energy offshore. And when it does that, well, it strengthens again and moves out towards New England. We call this a Miller B nor'easter, and that's exactly what we'll see Saturday night into Sunday morning. Still on the weaker side, but a little bit more strength than what we just saw in the middle part of the week. Let's go through our future cast slowly, and we'll go through Friday, which is a dry day. It's a mostly sunny day with a chilly night. Temperatures in the low 20s inland. Over at the shore, will be in the mid to upper 20s. Now we go to Saturday. It's dry for most of the day, but we do start to see wintry mix starting 4 to 7 p.m. from snow going to sleet with a little bit of freezing rain, and then plain rain as early as about 2 a.m. in Cape May and as late as 7 o'clock in Monmouth County near Sandy Hook before fizzling quickly afterwards. And then the rest of our Super Bowl Sunday, well, that is dry, and it should be good. The road should be good at that point if you are traveling around. Maybe you're traveling to Philadelphia for the Super Bowl also, and that should look good also. Let's take a look at our winter weather forecast. So we have snow and sleet as well as ice here to talk about. Inland Monmouth, you're going to see the most with this. 1.5 to 3 inches of snow and sleet and an icy coating. But remember, this will flip over to some rain at the end. Then in that medium pink, and that's coastal Monmouth, inland Ocean, inland Atlantic, and inland Cape May, it's a coating to 1.5 inches of snow and sleet with a coating to 1/10 of an inch of ice. So the ice is pretty similar to what we saw Wednesday night to Thursday, just with more snow and sleet. And then for the coastal areas from about Point Pleasant all the way down to Cape May, it's icy and snow coatings. But I do believe we're going to be talking about a good amount of rain here. We'll show you this graphic again, explaining the precipitation types. Remember, precipitation almost always starts out as snow. It's just how much above freezing temperatures do we have. The thicker that layer, the better chance of it being rain, or then in the case of what we're going to see Saturday night to Sunday, some freezing rain, as that snow melts to rain and then freezes on contact. And when you have that small sliver of warmer air, it partially melts and then refreezes, creating sleet. Here's a look at some ice safety tips. The short story is pay attention wherever you are walking, biking, or driving. This is all part of what I'm calling the February 4 storms here. We had one Wednesday night, of course. Another one as we go Saturday night into our Sunday here. Then we go to Tuesday. This looks very interesting for most of the Jersey Shore. Plowable snow does threaten Tuesday into Wednesday. And then the 13th into the 14th, another storm with a good amount of strength to it. However, still need to know if it's going to be mostly rain, mostly snow, or somewhere in between. Here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast. So again, most of your weekend daytime hours are dry here, and that is good news for getting around. But we have that snow to wintry mix to rain Saturday night. Monday is a much needed break before we get into a very active middle part of next week. And over at the beach towns, pretty much the same story here. It's more than likely we'll see more mixing at the coast with whatever happens Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But we'll need more details to tidy that up.